Compliance startup Delve accused of fabricating audit. Results: a scathing anonymous report alleges that compliance startup Delve, valued at $300 million and backed by Y Combinator, systematically misled clients into believing they met regulatory standards, potentially exposing them to severe legal and financial risks. The claims, published in a Substack post by a former client under the pseudonym Deep Delver, accuse Delve of creating fake compliance by generating fabricated evidence of audits and processes that never occurred. The allegations: a system of false assurance. The core accusation is that Delve shortcuts the compliance process by producing auditor conclusions before independent review, effectively acting as both implementer and examiner. This reverses the standard framework, rendering attestation meaningless. According to Deep Delver, Delve provides customers with pre-filled templates, fabricated board meeting records, and simulated test results to suggest complete compliance while bypassing real automation or AI-driven processes. The report further alleges that Delve funnels nearly all its clients through two audit firms, a corp and Gradient, which Deep Delver describes as operating as a single entity, primarily in India, with minimal US presence. These firms, the claims suggest, rubber-stamp Delve's generated reports, creating a closed-loop system where validation is non-existent. Delve's response and additional claims: Delve dismissed the allegations as misleading and containing inaccurate claims in a blog post. The startup insists it is merely an automation platform that provides auditors with client data, not a compliance report issuer. Customers, according to Delve, choose their auditors independently or select from an accredited network, with final opinions solely issued by third parties. However, independent claims emerged shortly after the initial report. Ex-user James Joe asserted gaining access to sensitive Delve data, including employee records and equity schedules. Jamison O'Reilly, founder of Devuln, expanded on this, citing gaping security holes in Delve's external systems. Why this matters? The illusion of compliance. The accusations are particularly serious because compliance failures can result in criminal liability under regulations like HIPAA and GDPR. The core risk is that companies relying on Delve's fabricated evidence could unknowingly violate laws and face significant fines or legal action. This case highlights the dangers of unchecked automation in a field where accuracy is paramount. The fact that Delve raised $32 million at a high valuation underscores the potential for rapid growth and widespread exposure if the allegations are true. The incident raises questions about the broader compliance-as-a-service market. If Delve's practices are widespread, it suggests systemic weaknesses in how companies verify and maintain regulatory adherence. The use of third-party audit firms, especially those with limited oversight, further complicates the issue. Conclusion: the allegations against Delve represent a severe breach of trust in the compliance technology sector. Whether substantiated or not, the incident serves as a stark warning about the importance of independent verification and transparency in a field where regulatory failures carry severe consequences. The lack of a working media contact further obscures the situation, leaving customers and investors in a state of uncertainty.